Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Dolby Atmos audio on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now go down and tap on sound quality and effects. In here at the top, tap on Dolby Atmos. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off, turn it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here, once you turn it on, you have other options to choose. You can select auto, movie, music, or voice. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.